What's up guys, I am Mr. Lima and this is part 3 of the rebuild series. In case you don't know, I had a little accident in the track in August 2021 and I'm building the bike again. In this video, I'm gonna be taking out the bar ends, levers, and then trying to take out the rear sets and then take out these carbon pieces so my boy Dan can buff it out. Without further ado, let's get working. First things first, let's take out the front fender, shall we? Put them gloves on, you know what I'm saying? Gotta put that gloves on. Take out the front fender, it's a 4mm Allen. Jesus. I'll put that in there. Gotta take it off the stand, of course. Take this out, it's 4mm bolts on each side, and that comes out. And then on mine, there's a zip tie right there to hold the brake line. Cut the zip tie. Slide right off, just like that. 4mm Allen on each side, and then on the top right here, and it comes right out. Starting to look like a naked bike, eh? Very nice. I always wanted a naked bike. All right, next up, we're gonna be taking out the sprocket cover. It is not a 4mm. This is a 6, come on. 5mm, the right one, let's go. Should be 2 5mm bolts holding this in place, and it comes right out. One slides right off, just like that. Look at that, and little scratches. And this is a 5 also. Let's take out the rear hugger, and then we'll deal with this. So for the rear hugger, 3mm bolts, and this comes right out. And then these 2 bolts are holding this side cover too, and then there's a bolt on the bottom right here that holds this piece too. Guys, I just lost the 3mm Allen key, man. What? Oh yeah, that's much easier. See, removing 3 comes right up. Then we're gonna be removing the rear sets. I'm gonna try to just remove this piece to see if I can get this piece out. Should be a 4mm Allen. See, look at how bent it is. These 2 right here, it's a 5. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side, off camera, so you need to see. It's the same procedure. Look how bent that is. Ooh. Thank God I even broke my leg, huh? And the bottom bolt is a 5mm. Moment of truth, see if I got damage on my swing arm. Got some scratches on it over here, but most of the damage was reabsorbed by the cover. Awesome. See if I can take this out with the impact. Just like that. You guys know the best place to buy power tools, Amazon. Some nice ones. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and that will be it. Ow, fudge. Hit my knee. Funny bone in the knee. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fuck. I stripped it. Thank God I'm gonna replace this because I stripped it. Thank God I didn't strip the main bolt. Because I'm over here thinking I'm loosening it and I'm tightening it. I effed up. I'm done. Oh, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna go deal with that off camera because, you know, that's gonna take another hour. See you guys later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the series.